is it true you and Aaliyah went on break?
I just found out, no.
Magic, are you beefing with Aaliyah?
No.
HAG, we rock. Keep liking and subscribing. Another video this week, you know we got it poppin'. Subscribe to my channel, become another member. And don't forget that HAG the sickest ever did. Welcome to the life of the HAG. It's the FunnyMike life, it's a FunnyMike lifestyle. Welcome to the life of the HAG. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
What's up, HAG? Y'all already know what time it is, man. We doing a Q&A seafood. The hell wrong with y'all? What you say? Alright, but look, man, check this out, man. We finna do a seafood mukbang Q&A.
Egg grits.
Hey, man, I feel like I ain't got enough, man. Somebody
That's what I'm
else.
saying.
You got a lot.
Hey,
You
give
got
me
a
some.
lot. Just for yourself. Then that extra spice, you're not gonna eat all that. You gonna give it away.
Hey, say, why y'all talk so damn much? Don't females just talk too damn
They never
much?
shut their mouth.
We gonna get
We
mad.
gotta talk.
Alright, we gonna be quiet before you get mad.
Jay, why you eating grits, man?
Dude, cuz.
They look good. Let get some. I can't get some. Come on.
Alright, open up your mouth.
I ain't finna put. Y'all know what you do. I don't know what you do, man. I ain't finna put my mouth.
Come on
in.
now, let's get
I was
real.
gonna let it drop. Let me
Magic said right.
Who did something?
Say it.
right? Magic said it right.
I can say right.
Jay don't be doing nothing, boy. Don't say nothing about Jay.
You be kissing all on the lip, boys. I see you. Yeah. Damn, she messing that goddamn thing up. Hey, but look, man, before we even get started, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. If you be rocking with us for a long time, man.
Long time.
Hey, she be hating on me,
You
baby.
said
You be noticing everything somebody be saying.
All right, man.
Boy, shut up.
Hey, y'all be doing too much, man.
That's
Hey, for
what
real,
I'm
man.
saying.
I ain't lying. I feel like we've been starting to feel like love and hip hop or something. They got so much been going on.
Right, son? All
People
of
in
that.
their feelings and
I'm
stuff.
like Stevie J.
Hey, she didn't like me. Hey, like what you? So that mean he's saying he kind of like a pimp. No, that ain't right. So who Magic is?
Nobody.
Nobody. Who?
Carly. Miss me.
No.
All right, let's check this out. The first question we gonna bust it over with. Jay, how you met?
Magic.
Yeah, how you met Magic?
Instagram. It's your question.
How long ago? How long y'all been knowing each other?
Like a year. Like a year.
Like a year. All right, so who was steady? Like, how you met him? Like,
I know
how?
Good
You slid? Now look, y'all. Now don't that mean you like somebody if you slide in that DM?
That was a year ago.
Cause I know if I slide in somebody's DM, I want them.
That was a year ago.
So you wanted her a year ago and never seen her in person until recently.
Yeah.
Man, you know that bond stronger than ever now. Not even the bond, like the feeling.
No, we stopped. Look, listen. We never even went out. No, we stopped. Look, listen. We stopped talking.
I ain't got one of these.
That's you.
Y'all be doing that bad. Ain't nothing in there.
Hey, give me a shrimp, please.
Goddamn rope.
Let me try how.
Hell no. Hell no.
Them look high.
Hey,
I know that's
can
all
somebody
we
peel
tried.
me one?
Damn, y'all did that bad.
Hey, y'all can peel me one?
No,
That
he.
Myra did that.
Hey, man, let me get one of them corn.
Hey, y'all peel me one, can please?
I feel like this don't even.
I want to put it in my grades. I want to put it in my
Alright,
grades.
you want to put this in?
No.
Hey, no, back to what I was saying. So he slid in your DM, he said what?
I don't remember.
You don't remember.
Yeah, I don't remember.
Now they protecting each other. Nah. So what you said, if you remember, keep it real, son. Don't lie.
I probably just put the hard eyes, like 2 hard eyes. That's probably all I did.
How many?
And what you said after that?
Just one more.
I don't even know. Probably thank you.
No, I don't like people that lie to me. You know? A year ago. So y'all, what it is, they've been talking so long, they got so many messages, they don't remember.
That's cap.
That's crazy.
That's cap. She barely used to talk to me.
Do you remember?
No.
Alright then.
She barely used to talk to me. I was
Wait, what is it?
What you liked about her?
She was cute.
She was cute.
I was.
Was.
Don't even do that.
Damn it, man. Why don't get that? God damn it.
Hey, girl, she handed me a shrimp.
So she not cute no more to you? You said she was now.
She was.
Alright, well, we're going to leave it at that, y'all. Next question
We gonna
is,
leave it at that.
why Cam stay single?
Come on now. Cause like I don't be with the drama, man.
So Goofy ain't with you. Huh?
No, I don't like him. I want to be to myself.
You know he pulled me to the side and said he wants you to star his video?
Oh my God. I'm
Wait, you for real?
With the peanut butter seeds. No, back in the goofy. I be acting stupid.
I'ma dislike that song when she's starring in it.
So you don't want to be in this music video?
I be in it, but
Don't play with me.
So no cam, like the fans really want to know, like why? Like what's going on?
why you don't like Goofy?
Why you don't like Goofy?
Cause
Better say the right answer.
Oh no.
He ugly.
Say the right answer.
Alright, no, rate Goofy 1 through 10 right now.
He a good 7.
He a 7? Wait, what you rating him for?
I was picking her number.
You was picking her number.
Nah, we.
Still 7.
Alright,
He is not no 7.
Alright, y'all, the next question is why Macy be doing Michael like that?
Oh.
What do I do?
I don't know, they be saying you be messing over Michael,
I do
bro.
not mess over him.
Michael got a good heart, man.
Y'all make the situations bigger than what it is.
Hey, because you know we bought that drama.
God.
Hey, she know we bought that drama. She know we bought that mess. So whatever you gotta say, you need to get it off your chest. Ooh, I need to make that a song. You know we bought that drama. You know we bought that mess. So whatever you gotta say, you gotta get it off your chest. Oh man. Damn, man, my damn phone ringing. Man, I hate when my damn phone be ringing, man. Damn, man, you know that.
Oh man.
Damn, copyright, man. I can't be copyrighted.
This is what you should do. Turn off your.
I just did it, dumb it.
No, you did it.
I did it.
No, you
I did it.
I just did
You
it.
wanna do?
I just did it.
Damn, I got this on my goddamn pants.
Put them coaching, my coaching.
I was like, what we was saying before my phone started ringing?
You was like something like,
Her and Michael?
get it off your chest.
Oh, get it off your chest. Yeah, she be doing that man wrong.
No,
man.
I don't.
I ain't gonna talk about that.
Whoa, Tim into the shrimp.
Who is Mac's favorite bad kid?
Oh, it's Jay.
Damn.
Man, let me no, it ain't.
Yeah,
It's not Bam.
Chrissy.
Bam is not my
No,
favorite
it's
bad
Chrissy.
kid no more.
It's Jay.
Alright, y'all, my
He
favorite
was
bad
in the room. We was in
Oh.
the J room and he told Chrissy, he said, you my favorite out of all the bad kids.
Is it Jay? If it's not Jay, I swear on it.
Alright, my favorite bad kid is all y'all, man. All y'all.
We all know that's Cal.
That's the right answer.
Y'all want me to be honest though? Like, honest opinion?
Chrissy.
Nah, it's not Chrissy. Who? I don't know. I ain't really got no favorite bad kid.
Oh, yeah,
Bam.
right.
Alright,
Yeah, right.
You can basically say it's Jay.
No, it's not.
It's not good.
If anything, I'm his least favorite.
Alright, Paris.
Oh, we're gonna pick the little ones already. We already know.
Chrissy.
You deserve to get hit by a truck.
My youngin' Tyler, you heard me?
Man.
You know?
All right.
There's a few more of them, you heard me? I just ain't gonna, I'm playing y'all. I like all y'all. Y'all.
Nigga better keep that energy, boy.
Now that's how y'all feeling? Alright, why did Jordan call you today? Huh? Me and Jay in the room, y'all. Me and Jay in the room, we sitting on the bed. We looking at somebody's page that Mark posted like, and then Jordan popped up on there with a FaceTime. It was a FaceTime or a real call?
It was a FaceTime.
Oh, she a
I'm not
man.
even gonna lie. I'm gonna tell the truth.
Why though? What he was calling you
Tell the
about?
truth. I got something to say about her.
About who?
You.
What happened? What
So,
happened?
she was being mad. She thinking I'm gonna say something. I come in the room. She didn't want me to know she was on the phone with Jordan. So she was like, Kelly.
So when this was? This wasn't today. He called today. This was the other day?
Yeah.
Michael, bro, let me tell you what to do. Walk outside, pack all your clothes, and leave.
No, just jump off the bridge, cuz y'all wasting a whole year of your life.
He did not
That's messed up. You still entertaining Jordan, bro.
I'm
Now,
not
what if
cheating
that man?
on my girl.
What if that was man? What if that man was messy? You heard?
Right.
And then he'll try to get at my kid about posting a screenshot of you and him on. That's wrong,
That's
man.
crazy, man.
That's wrong, man.
If anything, you was supposed to let me know before you let anybody know.
Whoa! You was supposed to let that. She ain't got nothing to say. Why you ain't got nothing to say? Michael,
Cause I'm not cheating on my Kel. Period.
you talking to your ex on the phone.
That's not cheating on him. I can't be friends with nobody.
No, you can't. Nah, damn it.
If y'all so-called argue, why y'all friends again?
Huh?
Who argue? What?
Yeah, why you and him friends again?
Who?
Alright, look, check this
Y'all
out.
acting
Next
dumb.
question. What is y'all dream job?
Doctor.
Huh?
To be a pediatrician.
I ain't
My
lying.
dream job is to knock a nigga head off.
I wanted to be an astronaut. Like real talk.
Until you found out there's no space.
It is space.
Did you go there?
Huh?
Do you know that?
Wait, nigga, you just opened up my mind.
That's what I'm saying.
So it's a mindset
It's a
thing.
mindset thing. You get what I'm saying?
I believe it because you can see the moon.
Yeah, you can see
You
the
can
moon.
see the moon
But
now.
what if the moon is just surrounded by the earth?
This high. Y'all retarded.
What if they playing with us, man? You right, you just opened up my mind, nephew.
Open it up, man.
We all gonna die. The earth is flat.
Why you say that?
do feel like
Earth flat, for real. No, an astronaut, not an astronaut, Daredevil tried that and died.
What?
He tried to test the theory of was it flat, shot up in a rocket and crashed. Real talk. That ain't funny. That ain't funny. This
All
real
right,
life.
man.
Alright, look. The next question is, Jay, would you rather throw a lil off a cliff or shoot Magic in the face with a Draco? Hey, so you a bust up with a Draco?
Talking about boom, bam, bow, bow, boom, bam, bow.
Alright, look, check this out. Would you rather kiss Mark or date Jay?
Kiss Mark.
Oh! Why you saying that? Mark said he really liked you before.
Oh, yeah, I tried to put her on.
You try to throw him? How you? Wait, I don't know. You confused me, dog.
Cause we was
Alright,
They be
look.
staring.
Look, check this out. Jay, this is what we want you, Jay, to do right now. We want you to rate Magic 1 through 10.
Rate, man.
Not just to
Rate her.
Don't spell her just because you recording. Give her
Cause you be playing, dog.
Take like a little not watching.
You be doing that bad though.
How?
Right up. Don't get out the subject.
Rate her.
I like a friend. Like
No, look her in her eyes and rate her. Look her in her eyes.
Are you serious?
Man, look her in her eyes. Rate her 1 through 10.
1 through 10. From like a friend perspective,
No.
probably about a smooth 8 or 9.
Oh my God.
Hey, y'all know how you took up the numbers off? You know. You don't want to lose your relationship.
That boy really
Wait, what do you have 2 girlfriends?
I can't do that.
Why?
Cause I already asked. That's not gonna happen.
Don't look at me.
I swear to God, I was joking, and she was like, "What I look like?" I was joking, but this is way.
But
before
you was
I had
serious.
that.
You was trying to have. Hey, Jay wanted 2 girls. Damn. Alright, the next question is why Mason so friendly?
Who's so
Dang.
friendly with?
I don't know. The fans want to ask why you so friendly.
Who I'm friendly
I guess they seen you being cool with her fans, so they want to say why you.
I've been through Magic.
Let's go.
How long?
I didn't know Magic for a couple months.
For a couple months. How many months?
Couple months. Right, I don't know how long.
But y'all been talking and y'all been cool.
Yeah.
So for the fans that's watching, stop playing with her, man. She been hood hop.
Like she been friendly,
I'm
man.
hood house.
You don't hood hop? Where you from?
I'm from Skyland.
I thought you was from Banks.
I'm from that
I
South.
never said I was from Bank.
Field
Hey, let
time.
me tell y'all where I'm from. I'm from that South.
California.
Skyland. From Skyland to Glen Oaks. Glen Oaks to Shellwood. Shellwood to Baker.
Exactly.
Baker to that, back to that 4, you heard me? CC lockdown, everybody know I'm retired. Ghost Town activist. You know, I'm a hood hopper for sure.
You still
Alright, the next question
You ain't
is
say the ball.
the park. I did Parktown for life.
He did not say no
No,
more.
you didn't.
Yes, sir. How much y'all want to bet when y'all rewind? Everybody, doubt my hand if y'all want to bet.
Let's bet 1,000.
1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5,000. They owe me.
No,
Yeah, they
no,
owe me.
good.
Y'all gonna see when y'all rewind it.
But I'll say that because I think I heard you say
Okay, yeah, that's right.
You know what it is.
Alright, Macy, look. The next question is for you. Out of Jordan and Spanky, who would you give another chance?
If my tail wasn't.
But you gotta pick one.
You got you. And that's
It'll
not.
be Jordan.
Oh!
No, because the only reason why I picked Jordan is because when me and
He
Spanky
respect
broke
you?
up, he went out with my ex-best friend,
Who?
Spanky.
That's what dudes do, like.
Right.
And then now,
That's how we get back at y'all.
how he got back at me? I didn't do that boy nothing.
You didn't do him nothing.
No. So
So why y'all broke up?
Right.
Why you and Spanky broke up?
He only wanted my best friend because she had a big booty.
That's it?
So you had a flower?
I don't care if I got flowers.
Y'all crazy, bro. Y'all some crazy ass kids.
Jay not crazy.
Alright, listen. The next question is Mara. When you and Jerry is gonna go on an official date?
Hey, peel me a shrimp.
I don't know. He playing.
He playing.
Yeah.
I think he keeping you a
No,
secret.
Mama be playing with that boy.
No, I think Jerry keeping you a secret from the world. No, you be playing with him.
No. It's the other way around, cause I don't know.
Did you ever wear them Uggs he bought you?
No. She didn't get him.
Yes, she did, yo. Look at you, all in their damn business. I see you still got your Cuban zirconio goddamn ring.
And I'm
I
gonna
bet if you collect that bit 2 times, it's gonna do magic power.
That wasn't funny.
Alright, the next question is it true you and Aaliyah went on break?
Oh my God.
Oh, I just found out. No.
Y'all ain't going on break?
No.
So what it is, like, she feel like you really like her?
Yeah.
Do you?
No.
Look at me with a straight face and say, I do not like Magic, she ugly.
I do not like
Don't say she ugly.
Who?
Why you playing with me on here? Stop playing.
Oh, you said a real name? What's her real name? Demaya.
Cut that out.
That's your real name?
No, that's not her name.
Oh, man. All right. The next question is, could Magic take Jay from Aaliyah? Could you take, that's the question for you.
No.
No, hold up. This question ain't for Mason.
Okay. Well, I'm just speaking up for him. No.
Not for
No,
me.
you can't.
I don't want to.
At least she knows.
Hey, he said,
Don't play with me for real. I don't want to.
Exactly.
ooh. She said she'd rather be your side piece, you heard? Wait,
Hey, shoot it though, man.
he tapping me down on it. Yeah, hey,
No.
I'm
y'all.
not inside, just
No,
out
it was.
Whoa,
We really
whoa.
just friends on my mama.
Magic,
I
would
ain't
you?
never be a side.
You thought
Magic,
that's close,
this question is
man?
for Magic.
Okay.
Would you date Jay if he didn't have a girlfriend?
Would you?
Huh?
Thank you.
Why?
So you wouldn't date Jay?
That's
a
cap.
question. A long time ago.
That's cap. That's cap.
Oh.
Man,
Don't answer my
I don't like
question.
how y'all capping.
I don't like how you lying. Like,
That was heavy on camera.
be real.
You be real. The answer is no.
All right, you guys. HAG, go spam her comments with liar, okay?
Liar.
Because we know you be lying too, Jay.
Would Jay date
Yeah, I
Magic if
don't
he
lie.
didn't have a girlfriend?
Jay, would you date Magic if you didn't have a lip?
Look,
Would you date her?
Alright then.
don't ask me no questions. That's cap.
So why you want to answer the question? Because you know
Right.
the truth.
So, but y'all want to say I'm lying.
Nah. I don't know.
Hey, let me tell y'all something. So boom, you know, Jay, after yesterday we had that long day, you was over here all day, right? So
Love
boom,
it all day.
you went home, right? He finally made things right with Aaliyah by posting her and saying, what you said, my girl. So I asked him about it today, y'all, and guess what you said?
What?
That's how I make it back right.
That's cap.
So
My
you,
first time doing this.
so you ain't said it.
My first time doing it.
Because you was trying to make it
No,
back right. 'Cause
first
you-
of all, you said that's the right thing to do when you get a man.
yeah, that's the right thing to do.
Okay,
and you
yeah,
agree.
so he obviously know what to do when you get a man.
So you did it though.
Why you did it?
Cause I wanted to do it.
Because you ain't want
No,
you,
cause see what happened.
okay,
was-
next, so you don't lie.
I'm not lying. I was gonna tell y'all what happened.
Well,
bro.
tell him what happened. Tell him what happened.
So look, I was talking to Hannah,
I'm
right?
right here.
Yeah.
I was like, dang son, she said she done with me. And she was like, post her. And I was like, nah, I ain't gonna do that. Then she hung up, and I was like, Sonny, should I post her? And he was like, I don't know, twin, it's up to you. And you know what I did?
You posed.
I posted her.
And she was cool back good.
No, she wasn't cool.
You gotta stop doing that, break
No,
hearts,
she
bro.
wasn't. I swear to God, I'm not trying to break hearts, but she wasn't cool after that. I had to talk to her.
Yeah.
Like, she was mad for real.
Dang.
Nigga left me on scene, folks.
But she understands this entertainment, right? This entertainment, Jay don't really like her.
Hey!
A long time ago he did, but this right now is entertainment. Alright. The next question is, do you have feelings for Jay?
You like it?
You ain't got no. Why you go to smiling every time I bring up a question? Cause what?
I don't like it.
You don't like Jay? You have feelings for her? Oh wait, he trying to say you capping.
I don't know why you trying to say that, Jay.
No, I don't.
Jay, you was so excited when you first brought me that phone when your message popped up. You was like, you was coming down here. He was like, man, please.
I swear to God on my mama. Look, you text me that. I said, hey man, I showed you said
Another shirt. Another one.
Never.
Alright, the fans want to know, bro. Did you really fly out here to do a TikTok video or really see Jay?
Just say both.
Right.
Hey, you can't say both.
I told him that when I was already coming.
So you made sure you let him know he was coming.
He was coming.
What you mean?
I mean, you was coming.
Yeah.
So y'all was talking before that. Y'all was texting. So you just popped up out of nowhere and said,
I swear that's why I showed you.
I mean, she wanted to see her friends.
So she was thinking about it. So y'all ain't talk all the
I
time.
was thinking like, okay, I'm coming to Houston. Why not see him?
Because he be on your mind.
No. No.
See, I ain't got nothing to do with that, dog.
You showed me the message, you remember?
Okay, but you
Yeah.
just want to see me though.
I was mad.
See you.
Alright, the fans want to know, Magic, are you beefing with Aaliyah?
No.
You ain't beefing with Aaliyah.
No.
So why you made that damn video talking about you could, you're not worried about
Oh.
that's a weak that's a damn week old.
That
Man.
was in November.
Oh, that was in November.
Oh, and that was cap too. What you said in the video, boy.
Wait, what you said? What she said?
Cause I ain't not want him. I can have him.
What I said that? No, you said I said I was just playing.
No.
So
No, on your video, on your Instagram post, you said on the Instagram it didn't, in the video it said. Oh, never mind.
So how on a scale of 1 through 100, how confident you was when you said you can, if you wanted him, you can have him? How confident?
It was a joke. It was no.
It wasn't no damn joke.
It was a joke.
How confident are you?
Myself. I'm confident in myself.
Scale of 1 through 100.
100.
Whoa!
But no,
Whoa!
I'm
She 100% sure she can have
no,
Jay.
I said in myself.
Man, y'all not right up in here.
Man, that's what I be saying. People ain't right, boy.
The next question is, can Jay and Magic go on an entertainment day?
No.
Man, y'all
If
should
this get,
have
alright, look, check this out. If this get to 100,000 likes,
No.
y'all gotta go on the entertainment day.
I can't do that, bro.
You can't do it?
I can't do that, son.
Will the fans do it? You know I'm gonna make it happen anyway because you know I'm the entertainment keeper. You get what I'm talking about?
Hey, say y'all.
100,000 likes, the fastest, we're gonna put them on an entertainment day.
No.
It's not real. It's for fun.
No.
Alright, the last thing I'm gonna tell y'all to do, explain y'all bond as friendships with long distance relationships.
First of all,
That ain't my friend.
we was friends. Then I don't know. I think after I got a girlfriend, she stopped talking to me.
What made you catch feelings?
I didn't catch feelings. Well, I liked her, but I didn't catch feelings.
What?
Hey, and you was like,
really playing with me on this
man, we need
No,
you to
for real.
speak the real.
No, for real, I can't get. Cause I called. Look,
You
call
heard that? She said she
He
did.
lying.
Cause I called
Tell
her
her
name.
speak the real.
No, she trying to say, cause you know how you be calling people daddy fats.
Yeah, you was telling her daddy.
That's not what I
He was calling him daddy, baby.
That was a long time ago.
So like, I'm gonna try to get the real out of you before we end this. Like, keep it real. Like, so you ain't gonna keep it real. You was like, he lying just now, so you know the truth. What happened?
Because he said he liked me, but he didn't catch feelings. There wasn't no feelings.
So did he got feelings?
Say you swear.
How you like somebody you don't got feelings? That don't even make sense.
Exactly. They don't.
Every both is not alive. Keep your feelings.
I plead the fifth.
Yes, and I'm your lawyer. Don't say anything else. That's it for today's mukbang. I need everybody to hit that like button and subscribe. On gang.
Trump dummy, head ass gang, 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 on that head ass gang, peanut butter head ass, biscuit head ass, sausage head.